It is the case that today, when we talk to enterprises, they talk to us about a lack of skills. And they're like, we don't have people that know this technology yet. So the user base is not really ready yet. They expect that things will be integrated into the BI tools they already understand. I think that it was Sean yesterday who talked about the right data and the right tool in front of the right users. And it absolutely has to be the case that in order for the value of all this information, this big data phenomena, to be realized, it has to be inside the tools that people are coming to use. And then last one, when we talk to enterprises, they talk to us a lot about integration with their existing security and manageability systems, because they have large enterprise concerns to worry about and to manage, and they need this Hadoop thing to show up in a way that lets them get integrated into their existing environment. Microsoft is kind of uniquely positioned to help on these fronts, right? And there's about 9 million database BI professionals of some nature out there. And in our conferences, if you go to the SQL Server conferences that we hold, we're talking to our constituency every conference now about building these skills, building the new skills. Because as even the nature of the platform shifts to the cloud, some of what they were great at is changing. And they're looking for the new places to add value as that industry matures. And this is what we're teaching them about. We're teaching them about Hadoop. There's 1 billion users of Excel on the planet, effectively, right? And Excel is many things, but one of the things it absolutely is, it is the #1 BI tool. You're sent a CSV full of numbers, and the first thing people do is put in Excel and start looking at it, right? Trying to see what the data is shaped like and what it is, what it can do. Well, we've been very busy building high-end BI capability directly into Excel. This is the Power Pivot, Power Review work, manipulating millions of records, slicers, visualizations, all that stuff, and more. And then it's also the case that organizations that have identity management systems, they use Active Directory. There's more employees under management of Active Directory than basically any other system on the planet. And by integrating Hadoop into that infrastructure, it means we can offer enterprises the ability to understand the security of access control against a system they already know and understand. We see these not as an opportunity as much as we see it as a responsibility. Microsoft believes we have a responsibility to help bring Hadoop into the enterprise, into this world. And you could ask certainly, well, why is that? Well, it's simply because it has become the standard. Hadoop will be the way that a large class of non-relational data is processed and managed, full stop. And it is our responsibility to help bring that to maturity and bring it forward.